Hey YouTube, so here's my new project. This is going to be brief. Anyways, this is part one of my power pack I'm planning on doing. The stuff I've put so far and trying to plan, the main goal is to use everything that I have. Try not buy anything. I'm pretty sure I will buy one thing. But here's what the setup I have so far. So I have a battery that I bought a couple years ago at Walmart. I think I bought it just for a backup for my car, but I think I just got it too small. And then I was planning on doing this system a while ago, and everything's just been sitting in storage. So it's this value power about 650 amps. Yeah, amps. It's a small car battery. And then I got the power converter, 410 watts. And I've just added this. I'm not really, don't know if this is correct, but, and all that math and science and whatnot. Anyways, I took off the clips because one clip fell off on the cords. So it's kind of just threaded it and just put it in there. It's probably, I want to probably put washers on there and actually look into and research a little bit safer way. So I got this power converter. I think it was $50, and you can tell it's on at the moment, and it's actually charging my phone. As you can tell, if you don't believe me, this is the cord. I'll unplug it. That's unplugged. That's still on. You can tell it is not charging right there. We'll plug it back in. Plug it back in. Now it's charging. And this phone was completely dead about 30 minutes ago, and it's approximately right below half battery life. So that's pretty good. So let's talk about this. I believe it was 50, the power converter. The battery was like 99. But well, let's look on Walmart.com. Actually, on Walmart, for the 750 watt, I need the 410 watt was $38.22. You can get 750 watts for, you know, $1 less, but this is the one I paid for a couple years ago. And there's different models and everything, but in the store, I believe they just have that in stock. And then, yeah, there's different ones. And then if you go to car batteries, let's look at car batteries. A client of mine said, hey, you know, for your truck, you should add an inverter to, you know, off to your battery. And the stuff I have is power tools. I don't think this will, I don't think my tools could work off of that and that battery. Or my car battery is a bigger battery, and I don't want to add things to it. So what I'm planning on doing with this setup is just get a box, like an ammo box big enough, and add it to it, and just screw on this on the outside, the power converter, the inverter, whatever you want to call it, and just have a little portable thing in my trailer or in my truck. So I think in this video, let's look at the batteries. You can get any battery you want. You know, the different prices, different types. I would just get a car battery. You know, $64.99. Depends on the size you want. So this one, I will have it for electronics, or maybe a power drill. It says it can do power drills. I'll try it when I get everything completely set up. look for that video. So this is part 1. Please like my video and subscribe, and also leave a comment, and I want to see your ideas out there for a battery pack that you have. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye.